In today's class, we focused on ways to help manage appetite loss.
We made some delicious recipes, starting off with our sweet potato frittata bites and then a paneer and cauliflower makhani.
And for dessert, we made a chocolate almond banana shake. Find the recipes in the playlist down below.
And for even more recipes, tips, techniques, and our upcoming calendar of events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join us for our next class on Thursday, March 19th at 12:15 Eastern Time. We'll be streaming live to ELLICSRkitchen.ca.
We'll discuss nutrition suggestions for those experiencing colorectal cancer. Don't miss it.